Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Hi, my subscriber and my followers. Thank you for coming back. And after a long time, uh, actually, I am recording this video to give you guys some information. So first thing first is officially, I like to say that I'm not going to trade in binary option anymore. I'm ending my career in binary option forever because of some reason. Because as you guys know, for a long time that I wanted to trade with a bigger account size, but most of the big brokers actually not letting us doing that anymore, and they are actually trying to stop the service of binary option. Why it is, if you dig down a little bit in Google, then you will find it out. But those who are following me with binary alpha knowledge, head break, blindfold, don't scared, because the same knowledge can be applied in Forex too. And this is our new official website, PipTHIEF, where for at least 1 year I have developed a new strategy in binary option style. It's a scalping strategy, which is PipTHIEF, and we have already taken a season based on this PipTHIEF scalping strategy. And our students, actually those who join in the season 1, they are liking it very much, and they are now doing live trade with this strategy, and some of them are getting success with this strategy already. So if you want to know about this strategy, you can come to fxhighfive.com and actually learn about this PipTHIEF strategy from this page. And also you can go to the tutorial section. This is the first season video recorded, and you can see these videos from this tutorial page about, and this tutorial page is based on actually PipTHIEF, as you can see PipTHIEF. So first thing first is I'm not going to actually make any more videos on binary option. I will only make videos on this Forex binary option style. I'm saying again and again, binary option style strategy of PipTHIEF, and I will do some live trading videos. And also in this page, as you can see, there are some historical result, and also I am doing two trading account with PipTHIEF strategy. One in this Go Market broker, and another one is in Hot Forex broker. And you can from this side you can actually see my live trading history. When you come with this API, actually this is bringing this account information and everyday trading in this page, so you can see the results from here. So those who are following me, you guys can actually see my every day-to-day result, where I am doing, what I am doing, what trading I'm losing or winning, all those kind of thing. And this account, both of these account actually 100% dedicated for PipTHIEF trading strategy, and it's been happening in Forex market. So also you can see some live trading action from this page with this video. But in upcoming days I will input I will update my live trading in this channel, and also in Facebook page, so you guys can actually follow me from there also. So thank you for listening to me, and hope those who are interested in these Forex trading strategy with PipTHIEF, they can actually take the advantage and opportunity from this tutorial and all those kind of thing. That's it. Those who are interested in this, actually come and take advantage of this. And yeah, I will update day by day live trading PipTHIEF action in this channel, and also you will get update in Facebook. Take care, KAZi.